This class is brought to you by the LA Care and Blue Shield Promise Community Resource Centers. The centers are a place to help you be active, healthy, and informed. We hope you enjoy this virtual class.
My name's Angie. What's your name?
Naveen.
Naveen. This is my daughter.
This is my daughter.
I'm your daughter? Yeah? So she's gonna be helping me. She's gonna be my little chef today. You're gonna be helping mommy make a sandwich today, a monster sandwich.
Yeah, the mother made it.
And we're also gonna be making not only just our sandwich, we're also gonna be making a nice, yummy green smoothie. Are you excited?
Yeah, we're going to make banana smoothie and cake smoothie.
Banana smoothie? Mm-hmm. Sounds very yummy. So first, we need to wash our hands because our hands are dirty.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, are you ready to wash your hands?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna wet our hands first, right? Get your hands wet. Okay, turn it off. You need to get your soap. Mommy needs to get soap. Remember, we go to the backs of our hands. The other one, good job. In between your fingers.
And wet our thumb.
Oh yeah, we need to get our thumb. Remember to get the other one too. Get the other thumb, this one. Can you clean that one too? And now we go to all of our fingers and make sure they're very clean. Good job. Remember, we go like this so we scratch so we can get all the dirt out of our nails. Good job. Get the other side. Now close your hands into a fist. You're gonna clean your knuckles like this. Good job. Clean the other side. Good job. Ready? Oh, you go first. Get all of the soap off. Good job. You did a very good job. Whoa, good job. Good job, Naveen. Okay, we need to go make our recipe now, okay? So someone's getting pretty anxious to make their sandwich.
And then make the monster sandwich and we peanut butter and jelly.
We're not putting peanut butter and jelly in our sandwich today. Maybe next time. So, what we're using flat sandwich bread. This is what I usually like to do. Yeah? If you don't have flat sandwich bread, it's okay. You can use your normal whole wheat bread. All you have to do if you want to make it a circle, you can grab a cup. You can grab anything that kind of has a circle shape to it that's big enough to cut it so you can have it in that shape. Okay. So we also have grapes that we're using for eyes. We're gonna use that for the monster's eyes. We have tomatoes if you want to use tomatoes. We have spinach. We have our turkey ham. We have cheese and toothpicks, and then mustard and mayo if you want to have some. And then the bananas are for another recipe. So, are you ready? Okay.
Yeah.
Do you want mayonnaise or mustard?
We need mustard.
Okay. So we're gonna give you a knife, but remember we have to be very careful. There we go. You want us to get started? I'm gonna put a little bit on that one. Mommy's gonna put some on hers. You go hold it with 2 hands. Good job, Naveen. You're doing a very good job. So Naveen is using a plastic knife. It's very safe for her to use. She won't cut herself. And if you don't have one, you can also use whatever plastic knife you have around. If it's a lot more easy for you to do that. Oh, did you want more? Yes. There you go. I'm gonna put a little bit of mustard in mommy's because mommy likes a little bit of mustard, okay?
Come on, darling.
It's okay. See, mommy's just putting a little bit. It's not spicy.
Yes.
No. You think it's spicy? Oh my goodness. Okay. Our next step is we're gonna put our turkey ham inside. Ready? One of our slices is gonna go like this, and we're gonna use another one to make it our tongue for our sandwich. Do you know what a tongue is? Where's your tongue? No, where's your tongue on your face? Where's your tongue? Good job. So our sandwich is gonna also have a tongue. So hold this one. Okay, look at mommy. So you're gonna put it down. You're gonna put it down right here. And you're gonna go circle, 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 and then we're gonna put it right there so it can be our tongue for our sandwich. Want me to help you?
Yeah.
Okay, like this way, this way. Look. This will probably be easier. Look, ready? Go, 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 go. Good job. Put it in your sandwich. Right there. How do you want your tongue to be?
Dada.
Good job. Okay, next step. We're getting, what is this?
Tito.
It's queso, so it's cheese. So we're using our cheese. Let's see where to open it.
You open it.
Okay, hold on. Let mommy open them first, and then you can help. Okay, this is gonna be the teeth for our monster. There's one. Okay, so this part's gonna be very fun. So you want this?
Me.
Okay, this one's mommy. So I'm gonna make my teeth for my monster. So you're gonna grab it like this. Look, mommy's just gonna cut the cheese into little pieces for the teeth. Or you can rip it with your hands if you want. Oh, you're doing very good job with your knife. Okay, look, we wanna cut it into shapes like this. We're cutting it carefully. And then we're gonna put it inside our sandwich like this. Look, on the tongue, so we get all of the teeth. If you don't wanna do it with the knife, you can do it with your hands too. Look, mommy can rip it with your hands. Put it like that. Okay, you can cut it. Look, you're gonna put it like this in your sandwich. So you can see the teeth. Yep. Good job. Okay, let's put the teeth on our monster.
I like that.
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, you only put our teeth.
Okay, well, while you're doing that, I'm gonna start cutting our tomato, and then you can help me cut it smaller, okay? Are you tired?
Yeah.
It's a lot of work.
This is so yummy.
It is so yummy. Is that yummy?
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to start cutting the tomatoes? You're gonna put it very small so you can put it inside your sandwich, okay? Good job. Mommy's just gonna cut it like this and like this. Just so we have nice little tomato pieces. Good job, Naveen. I'm gonna leave one more there for you when you're all done.
I need that.
Good job. Go, 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 go. You did it! Yay! Okay, mommy's gonna close her sandwich. So I'm gonna put our grapes right here. Oh, I almost forgot. We need to put spinach inside. Do you like spinach? Ooh, look at mommy's sandwich. Wow. You wanna start putting your tomatoes inside your sandwich? Okay, let's see. Hey,
So yummy.
it is so yummy. We still need to put our grapes on it. So now we're gonna grab our toothpicks and we're gonna use our grapes as eyes. Look. Look, Mama. This is what we're gonna be doing, okay? And then we can put more eyes here. I'll leave them right here for you so you can just put them on there. Do you like grapes? Are they yummy? How yummy are they?
Tito.
Oh my goodness, your sandwich looks so cool. Okay, remember? We grab it from the bottom right here so we don't poke ourselves. Oh my goodness. Let's get a plate to put your sandwich on, okay?
Yeah.
One for mommy. Look how yummy that looks. And let's put the beans on the plate, okay?
Then we eat it.
We are gonna eat it. Look how yummy those look.
This is mine.
That is yours. Are you excited to eat it?
Mommy.
Yeah? Do you want to eat it already?
Yeah.
So I know you guys also probably noticed that she has a little snack here. So I know a lot of you guys right now, you guys are at home. It's kind of hard to stay healthy, but we found some nice little chips. They're green because they're made out of spinach, but they taste very good. Do you like them?
Put it right here.
Yeah, what do they taste like?
Put it right here.
Okay, we can put some on your sandwich. How do you want to put them? Okay, go ahead and decorate this, okay? I'm gonna move this out of your way. I think that looks like a nice, yummy snack, right?
No more.
No more. Okay, good job, Naveen.
Now put it in yours.
Okay, you can put some on mommy's.
I think you put it.
That is such a cool sandwich.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to taste it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's take our grapes off so you don't poke yourselves, okay? Okay. We can take a big bite together. I'm gonna put all of these right here so you don't poke yourself, okay? Grab your sandwich. Look, grab it like this. Look, ready? Look at Mommy's monster sandwich. Wait. Is that yummy?
Yeah.
So yummy, like this? Look, yummy like this? Yeah? Okay, let's get started to make our smoothie next, okay?
Yeah.
So now we're gonna make our other recipe, right? Oh, thank you so much. Yes, so for this recipe, we have to take this off, peel it off. So for this recipe, we only need, okay, we only need 1 banana, spinach, and pineapple juice, and ice. Okay, let's take this piece off. Good job. We need to put, we do, but we need to put some spinach. Can you put spinach in there, please? You think that's enough? Okay, that should be enough, okay? That was yummy. Yeah, we do need ice. We do need to put pineapple juice in there. Yeah. Yeah, I think we could put the rest of the spinach in too. Okay, you want to put the rest of the spinach? All of it. Is that all of it?
No.
You don't want all of it? Okay, and a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna put this on here. We're gonna blend it first. After we're done blending it, we'll put the ice in, okay? Ready? And okay, so let's put the ice in here now, okay?
Yeah.
Do you want to help Mommy put the ice in there? Okay. Yeah. Okay, ready? Oh, it's so cold. Grab it. You want to put it in here? Wait, be careful, not too hard, okay? Go slowly. Like this. Slowly, okay? Want to grab another piece of ice? Okay. That one and no more, okay? John, here, you can put these in there. Hey, we're not tasting it just yet. Is it yummy? Okay, ready? Now we get to blend it with ice. Ready? Sit down. Thank you. Ready? I think we should put more ice in there, right? More ice?
No.
You don't want more ice? You don't want it to be really cold? You don't want it to be really cold.
Yeah.
More ice? Okay, I'll put a little bit more ice. Okay, you can put this one. Look. That's a big one. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. You want to put it in there?
Yeah.
Hold on. You have to be slow, okay? Be careful. It is really cold. Ready? Help me. It's cold. Okay, no more ice, okay? It's a lot of ice. A lot of ice. Ready? Sit down. Okay, looks like we're all done. We are all done. Okay, who tastes it first? Mommy or Naveen? Who goes first? Naveen and Mommy? Okay. Ready? Cheers! Drink it. Is it yummy? What does it taste like? Bananas. And spinach. It does taste like spinach and pineapple juice. So yummy, right? Oh, where's your sandwich? We lost it.
Yeah. Go.
Here is your sandwich. Are you gonna eat your sandwich now and have your spinach? Thank you so much for joining us. We look forward to seeing you again virtually next week and at one of our centers very soon. Until then, stay active, healthy, and informed. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.